Community tourism charm, touching life, touching nature. Community-based tourism. Sustainable tourism is a form of tourism in which locals actively participate in planning and implementation, ensuring minimal negative impact on the local environment, culture, and economy. The value of community tourism is easily defined as follows. It is a form of tourism in which community members participate in setting directions and making decisions. Tourism contributes to the preservation of local identity and culture, foster pride in one's own cultural heritage, and respects different cultures as well as equal respect for human dignity. It is a type of tourism that improves the quality of life for locals while also encouraging cultural learning and exchange, can create environmental sustainability for locals. It is a type of tourism that provides a fair return to the locals.